Welcome to ORIVISION YouTube channel. We will show you how to custom adding Onvif encoder to an NVR. Log in the encoder's control web. Click Media. Select the type of RTSP to ES. Onvif mode changed to enabled. Once set, click Set up, and reboot the encoder. After reboot, click Status to confirm the type, port, path of the streams. Open NVR and click Menu, Camera. Click Custom Adding. Type in IP address, protocol, management port, username, admin password. And then click Add. You can see that the video encoder is successfully connected to the NVR.